Hey y'all, Shay here, and I'm back with a mini tutorial. I am applying lash clusters. I am not sure of the brand, so I will insert a picture of the cluster kit at the end of the video, as well as the glue that I'm using to apply them. I love clusters. They look super duper natural, and all I do is take the cluster and I dip the strip into the glue on the top side of the lash cluster. I dip the top side in glue and I apply the clusters up under my eyelashes. As you can see, I kind of rub them along the hairs just to get a little bit of the glue from the strip onto the actual hairs of my lash. And I do that so that the lash isn't only glued to just above the waterline, but it's also glued to the hairs, and that helps me to wear them a little bit longer, in my opinion. They typically last me about a week or two. Every now and then I may have to replace a cluster, but for the most part they stay on and they look lovely. Yes, I'm all about saving $1 and being a baddie on a budget. Can I get an amen, sister? So yeah, as you can see, I have applied that one eye. Side note, I don't know if y'all seen my video of me fixing my car, but I am so proud, guys. Like, I got 35K views, and that's big for me because, yeah, I only be getting like 2. But yeah, I'm super duper proud, guys. Like, I just looked up how to fix my car on ChatGPT. And then I looked it up on TikTok, so I had like a visual aid of what to do. And yeah, I went up under there and I did that. Go me, guys. Go me. And y'all can do it too, okay? So yeah, on to the other eye. This side gives me a little bit of trouble. And so I did, I think I applied like 1 or 2 off the camera, because it's just harder for me to start from the outside and work my way in. I prefer starting from the inside and working my way out. But this particular brand of lash clusters has different shapes to it. This one that I'm applying now is like the cat eye. So the lashes are longer on the outside and they're shorter as you work your way inside. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I started from the outside and worked my way in. Granted, it will be the same thing, but every now and then, if I have with certain clusters, I may overlap them a little bit. So that's why, even though it gives me a hard time, I did start from the inside and work my way out. But as you can see, they're done. They turned out very well. If I'm not, according to me, I think they look very good. I sandwiched them. I don't know the proper word, but what I'm doing right there, I did that off camera with my bigger tweezers. I had to use these little baby ones because my daughter had my real ones, y'all. Y'all know how it is with teens. Anywho, so these are the lashes that I have. And you can see the different shapes. Pause the video if you need to, but they turned out really good. I don't know the brand. Y'all deal with that. Anywho, this is also the glue that I use, and it works well. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.